So as you can see, it's still moist inside there. You can still see the banana and not that much flour. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're making banana fritter. And here's the ingredients. We had the banana. I already did the slightest some, and this is like 3 pieces of banana. And now we're gonna need vanilla extract. It's like 1.5 tablespoon. And we have here our baking powder for 1 teaspoon, 1 egg, and this is like 1 cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup of white sugar. And also we're gonna need some oil. So we're gonna do the cutting. I'll show you how I cut the banana. I'll show you with this one. All you have to do is cut it into 3, or you can just, if you can, keep it like cut it into 3. You don't have to cut it on the 3 if you don't feel like it. You can do like half, but this time I'll do 3. And just mix that with over there. And the riper the banana, the better. So now we got, I did that. And now we're gonna move this here. Then we're gonna put the bowl in the middle. And what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put the wet ingredients in our bowl. So it's gonna be the fresh milk first. Then what we're gonna do next is the vanilla extract. And now we're gonna do the egg. Give me a second. So here you go, the egg. All we have to do is beat the egg. And now we're gonna mix it in our wet ingredients. And we're just gonna stir. Now we're gonna put our flour first. Just get a mix. And now we're going to put our baking powder. We're gonna mix all together, and where's my sage already? Just keep mixing. And now we're going to put a little of sugar. We don't need to put all the sugar because we're going to need it at the end. And also, if you're trying not to put to be sweet all the way, you can just put, you don't have to put sugar on it because the banana should be sweet enough. If you're not a fan of sweetness overload, like a lot of sweetness. Now this time, since our ingredients are already mixed up our stuff, now we're gonna put some of our banana. Just mix it in our bit. Just keep mixing. Mix. You don't have to serve it. All you have to do is put the banana in, then it's should be ready for us to fry. Like I said, the riper the banana, the better. Alright, okay. Now it's ready to be fried. Wait a second. I'm going to turn our heat on. Put our oil. This is just vegetable oil. Better to use the vegetable oil than the olive oil. Why? Because the olive oil, like I always say, the olive oil got much stronger smell. Alright. Gotta wait. Some people smash their bananas, that they can do it also smash, but this time it's better like to do it like this way, because at least you can see the banana inside of it, like, you know, you can really tell that it's banana. Our oil is hot. I need this scoop, and I just gotta make sure that they are spread out all the way. Okay. So as you can see, the banana like is like lined up inside our pan, and we don't need that too high heat. And you can also like put some oil on top of it while it's hot to make sure that those ingredients is cooked all the way. The vanilla extract is like, you smell the vanilla extract on it with the banana flavor all together, and it smells like so good. Like it's make you feel like you already want to eat it. So and also you can use any kind of banana that you prefer. You know, like people use the banana that they can find at Walmart, but ours, like, this is our homegrown banana, so we use what we have. We don't have to buy them. And I'm gonna flip. Oh shit. Scary. Just like that. So you can see the banana is still there. Banana fritter. And you can also like use butter to put it on top of our banana fritter. We don't have to, it's just an optional. Look at that, how nice brown looking. That's one. Now we don't do the other one. Take the excess. Make sure they spread out. Things sticky. them in the middle. Just I got one more. I think no one more. Like a Mexican plantain. I guess that's what they called it. But like we call, like I said, we call this in our like in the Philippines, sabah, which is like different from another banana, which like you see the bananas that you find at the store. We call that other language, like other names too. We call it different names. But this one is like our plantain in the Philippines. We call it sabah. That's it. Almost done. I'm going to take this other one out, then I'm going to show you how to do the. So now guys, we have our banana fritter. What we going to do next with the leftover sugar, we just have to spread it out in our plate. And then what we gotta do, we gonna get a spoon, and then we gonna get our banana fritter, and then we just coat it with sugar. So it's coated with sugars. Okay, take some out, and then we're going to do the other one. Alright. So here you go guys. It's easy how to make the banana fritters. You can also put, like I said, the butter on top of it before you coat it with the sugar this time. And this is how it looks. So you want it? So let's see what it looked like inside. It's gonna be hot. So as you can see, it's still moist inside there. You can still see the banana and not that much flour. Go see. It's really good. This is all it, guys. So thank you all for watching, and please let me know whoever go and try my recipe and what you think it is. What it tastes like.